Okay, so this is what we'll do. I will divide you people into groups. I don't want to type the questions. I don't want to type the question, because sometimes when I type the question, I feel like you could just put the question into the prompt and it gives you the thing. So about sharing people into groups. Let's see. How do we do this? Oh, the work there you do. So that one, don't worry. So it's a break room. I will create, if you have a business here, and by now business also includes having a YouTube account, that could be your business. Having a TikTok account. Yes, I think that gives me an idea. Okay, so this is it. This is the first question. So you are a Christian. Please take note of this. I will not be able to repeat it. You are a Christian TikToker. Yeah, you are a Christian TikToker. And or maybe you've been employed by someone to build. Yeah, you are the church media person in charge of developing a TikTok account for the company. Okay, so I will select one person to be the client. But if someone is already in that field, can the person let me know so that person just take up that role? I think we create 4 rooms. Okay. I think the thing has created itself already. Godwin, I didn't hear your voice today. How are you doing? David, how are you doing? Okay. David and Godwin. That's on the
Doing good, sir.
Okay.
Oh, hello, I'm doing well, and you too.
Okay. So the 4th room is, so I'm mentioning the rooms. Samuel, David, Godwin in one room. Then the next room, Safiratu, Nana Kofi, Ella in another room. Then the next room is Solo, Precious, and then Abina. Okay. But if you are settled,
Sir,
let me know.
I'm back online, so please.
Okay. So this is what I do. I swap Matilda to room 2 and move Abina to room 1, and then move Precious to room 4. No, Precious to room 3, and Zafra to room 2, and then someone has to leave room 4. Okay, I move Precious to room 4, and someone moves to room 4, and then Nana goes to room 4. Okay. Okay, so please listen to your problems. Listen to your problems. Listen to your problems. If you ask me the questions, I will not be able to answer. Okay, so listen. Break room 1. Does anyone have legal knowledge? Oh, very good, Hannah. That's good. Oh, Hannah, is it a question you're about asking?
No, please, I was not given a room. That's
Okay, okay.
asking.
Yes, yes. Hannah, you're in break room 1. Does anyone have legal knowledge? Hannah, Abina, Kanka, or
I
maybe
have small.
you have
I have
small. Don't worry, don't worry. You are fine. You are good. That's the question for your group. So this is it. I will not tell you what to do, but all I know is that there's a legal company. You have to define. Okay, yeah, maybe let me define for you. There's a company, a legal company. Maybe it could be a law firm. It could be Dovsu or any of them. Maybe if you want to treat them like that. The challenge is that they are not known. Even when their lawyers go to court, they don't even know them. Okay, so people don't even prioritize their business. Have you gotten it? But remember, I don't know if they have changed it, but at a point in Ghana, it was a little illegal for lawyers to advertise themselves. Let me check that. Let's check that to know, because we have to work in that frame. Yes, Kanka. Oh, it's illegal.
I've not been assigned a room. Sorry.
Okay. So the Hannah, Abina, and Kanka, you are in room 1. So it is illegal for people to advertise themselves, but it doesn't forbid you from creating things like websites, business cards, and the likes. Okay, but now you know that this thing applies to you. Okay. LI613 applies to you. That's this, you know. So, and everybody, you have just 15 minutes to do this. 15 minutes, and it starts from 9 p.m. Okay, so when it is 9:15, everybody should gather here again with your work and present real things. Like for the website, you don't have to host it. Okay, yeah, but just present real. No, let's do it 20. So when it is 9:20, show up here. So group number 1, Abina, Kanka, Hannah. If you ask me, I can't remember. You are working. You are consulting for a law firm, and their problem is that they are just not being known by people. Okay, so your goal is to brand them, let people know about them, like give them that digital visual, like that digital presence. Okay, so that is your work now. So legal team. Then the next group, you are church media people. You have been tasked to create social media flyers, like advertisements. Okay, today we are only focusing on marketing for the first 2 groups. Church advertisements. Okay, so you decide what to do. You want to create IG page for the people, design flyers, add music, and you are allowed to use anything. Church marketing. So let me just put it this way: church marketing. So group 2, Matilda, Zafira 2, Petra. Solo. Group 2, again, Solo, Zafira 2, Matilda. You are church marketing team. Now, group 3. Group 3, you are investment analysts. okay, you work with an investment analyst firm. So you are supposed to design a system that helps people to give prediction of stock, hedge fund, and whatever thing. So the financial team, finance. So group 3, Arthur Samuel, Ella, Nana Kofi, finance. Then group 4, what do I have for group 4? Group 4, group 4, group 4. Group 4, what will I have for you? Group 4, there's someone wants to start a fashion business and doesn't know what to do. Okay, someone wants to start a fashion business and doesn't know what to do. So you've been asked like fashion business and doesn't know what to do. I know all these things are a little vague, not giving you a lot of understanding, but I'm just leaving everything to you. Okay, so I'm changing the time. When it is 9:30, you have 30 minutes to complete the task. So you answer all your questions and the likes. So now you are now, any question? Yes, Manu. Yes, sorry. Yes, Ella.
Saying the line was breaking, so I didn't really get what we are supposed to do with the information you've given.
So you are consulting for a business and you are supposed to implement. So you are not just coming to tell me what I should do. If your idea is that, oh, the company should have a video explaining what should do, you have to generate that video. Okay. So now 9:30, we are all showing back here. Start work.
Please, group 4, you didn't say the tax. You just said, are we doing a startup for fashion? So what exactly are we doing?
Yes, a business is a business. What's the name? Someone is
Fashion.
starting business.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, so you're helping the person to start up.
Oh, okay.
I don't want to tell you that, okay, go and design a logo for the person, a setup, look for a land, go and build for the person. No, you are the assistant. You are that consultant. Don't just see yourself as a virtual assistant. Like, see yourself as an asset to people. That is how you give value to people. Please, time has started. Join your place. You have to join. The first group. First, tell us what the problem was, what you did, why you did it, how you did it. Yes, just answer those questions and let's go. Every group has 3 minutes. Yeah, you have 3 minutes to tell us what you've done. Let's go.
Okay, so group 1, we are the legal team, right? We were supposed to help a legal firm who is not being seen. Yes. To build, we're supposed to help a legal firm who is not being seen, and with the caveat that law firms law firms are not allowed to advertise themselves. So when we went into our group, what we came up with, the first thing was to decide on what type of law firm are we going in with. We saw that we have different types of law firms. We have the corporate, the family, among others. And deliberating on them, we finalized on going into the family law firm. Why? Because we saw that this is where this type of law firm has a lot of vulnerable clients around, that they are not reaching, and so we could help them reach their clients. So what we intend to let them do is to create educational content in a form of educating or bringing out the law, information about legal things concerning the family to these clients who are out there. So they can do this through the media space. As we know now, the media is now the norm of the day. It's a thing of the day. Most people have access to a smartphone, and in these people with access to smartphone, about 90% of them has access to TikTok. So not only TikTok, on their blogs, in newspapers, and their anything on their media space, they can inform these clients. I mean, this family who has who doesn't even, some of them, that this child who doesn't even know their rights, a wife in a marriage who doesn't know some rights they are entitled to. Through this media space, they can inform them that this and this and this is what you can claim, or this and this is what you can enforce on your life. Yes. And then we also said that maybe using the media space might not reach everybody, because even if we say the media is not the norm of the day, it's not everyone that has access to a smartphone and then an internet. So how about those people? We said that they can also step out from their comfort zone, that is in their offices, and move to these people in some villages, not just in Accra and in Kumasi. Most of the times you see people only in Accra, only in Kumasi, organizing shows and meetings in Kumasi and in Accra, leaving those that really need the help sitting in their villages. So we tend to advise them to develop a strategy to go to these places, to go to these places, to also get to their clients and know their problems. The next one we spoke about was organizing free consultations. Just as hospitals organize free health screenings, they can organize free consultations to have people come to them to tell them their problems, and as a result of that, they can help give advice, or they can make themselves known to these people. Then the last one is organizing some webinars, that is the family legal webinar. So we said they can have people on shows, families on shows, to also come and talk about certain things concerning the family, or certain legal rights concerning the family that these vulnerable people should know. The last one we did was to help them create a website which would host all these things that we have elaborated. So some people might not be on TikTok, some people, they might not meet them in person, but creating a website, they'll be able to meet these people and then also communicate what they do to them. Thank you.
Thank you. But please, where is this website?
Yeah, it's we generated the website, but we're not able to host it. So
Yeah, but you can share with us. Just share the website with us. You don't need to host it.
it's in code, so but when you run it, it will give you the website.
Yes, so just show us the website.
Okay. All right, then let me. Please, can you see my screen now?
Okay, yes, I can see your screen now, but you're not sharing the website.
Yeah. Sure.
Okay, so you can see that now. Can you scroll down? Yeah. So even device is not a barrier.
Please listen.
So even device is not a barrier.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. That's good. Okay. Was there anything that you guys did again?
No, please. Yes,
Okay.
please.
Okay. So within 30 minutes, this is okay. Okay.
Please, can I stop sharing now?
Yes, please. Okay. Group 2. That should be the church.
Hello.
Yeah, hello.
So our work was to create or advertise a church, like a church advertisement flyer, or create an Instagram page, etc. for a church, right? So we decided to create a church advertisement flyer, focusing on, giving out donations to people. Yeah, so that was the main thing we did. So I'll be sharing my what we were able to come out with, and what it is meant as well. So
Okay.
okay. Please, can you see my screen?
Yeah.
Yeah, so basically this is what, and we chose the theme as Grand Harvest and Seed Faith donation. So basically to show people that we are going for a donation. We are going to donate something, give something out to people. The theme is the grace of giving, right? And we stated like a Bible verse to encourage people to come out in their numbers to help in this activity. So we also noted the host, Apostle David Emmanuel. Since he is the main person, like the main pastor of the church, we have to include his name, and we stated the date and the time we are going to do everything, and the place, the venue, which is the 22nd Victory Plaza. So this was we were able to come out with. And we also tried to insert like an audio, but that one we didn't know how to add it to the image. But I can just play it so that we can just appreciate it more.
Yeah.
So
now, let the seeds of your faith take magnificent flight for a harvest of grace burning gloriously bright. Join the sacrifice of praise on Sunday, October 12th at 9 in the morning with Apostle David Emmanuel at Grace Cathedral. Oh, come on!
Okay.
So yes, that's what we're able to do, and yeah, wanted to add it to the flyer, but time couldn't allow it. So thank you.
You're welcome. That's good. Finance was last. What was the third team? Yeah, the third team. Petra, your team.
Now,
Pardon, you said what was what? Okay, Petra is.
Yeah.
yeah,
Petra is solo. Yeah, solo.
yeah, I'm in the second team, so that's what Safra to presented on.
Yeah, finance. The finance team. The third team. Finance, those who are in the finance investment team.
Yeah, hello, sir. Well, we had a little challenge, so we did a little as we could. So, well, with the finance, you gave us we're tackling. Hold on, please. We're tackling investment firm whereby we chose with a real estate firm. Yes, we were actually using the scope structure framework to analyze the situation, but we couldn't create any. We wanted to create the automation for it, but we didn't have the chance because I was the only person using a laptop and others were using phones. So with the scope, we were able to gather the situation whereby the real estate firm was facing the complications, objectives, and proposal. Where the situation we covered the workflow, covering the stock and the edge funds, no share system and no standardization rating on predictions of how when like the prices will fluctuate and when the prices also decrease, as in the real estate firms, the complication, the signal overload, which is the challenge. We talk about the problem that they are facing. That's inconsistency of rating, whereby some months there will be a low, low buying and purchasing power and other stuffs. Whereby the objective which we're able to tackle is how to predict, like a mechanism to predict, or let me say an automation whereby it will fall upon people who can answer questions on the situations, how to manage situations that cannot be predicted. With the proposal that we were able to give you, we said an AI augmentation initial platform which can be done to help them manage the real time and alert them when the market is coming down and also when it's also going up. And this plan can be executed with the data which can help us to execute this is gathering data from 6 to 9 months, and this can help us work in the engine and also share intelligence on how to solve the problem.
Okay.
So we couldn't finish the automation with the 8 and 8.
Okay. Can you show me what you've done so far?
Okay, let me share the summary of what I did.
No, the 8 and 8, the automation we're doing.
Okay, sir. Yeah, we couldn't start anything now. So we couldn't start because we're trying to see the problem.
Okay. Aside this, what else were you able to do?
Hi, so I think our difficulty comes from all of us not having any idea about what we are trying to do. So we're trying to gather information to understand the situation at hand to now develop a solution. So I think that was a bit of a struggle for us.
Okay. Okay. The last group. The fashion group. Nana, Precious, Godwin, David.
Hello?
Hello, David.
Yes, sir.
Okay, it's almost Yeah, it's almost 10. So let's just do this. So at your own time, you can now practice more of this and build yourself to what you want to become. Okay. So that will be all for today. This week, this session, there's no assignment. Just have an assignment for yourself. Do more and more and more and more.